Good morning, everybody. So this week, or in this video, we're going to be covering Unit 6, Week 1, vocabulary for the 3rd grade Wonder Story. And one of the words in this week's story is alarmed. Say that word with me. Alarmed. Alarmed means afraid or frightened. For example, Jess was alarmed as he watched the barber cut his hair. Show how you would look if you were alarmed by something. Okay, let's write alarmed. And it means to make fearful or afraid. Okay, and the next word in this week's story is anguish. Say that word with me. Anguish. Anguish is the great suffering of the mind or agony. For example, Andy felt anguish when he realized his bike was missing. What is another word that means the same as anguish? Okay, let's write the word anguish. And for the definition, write serious suffering of mind or body. Okay, the next word in this week's story is necessary. Say that word with me. Necessary. Something that is necessary needs to be done or is required. For example, food is necessary for all living things. What other things are necessary for living things? Okay, write necessary. And for the definition, write required. Okay, the next word in this week's selection is obsessed. Say that word with me. Obsessed. When you are obsessed, you think about one thing all the time and nothing else. For example, Paul is obsessed with space and wears his astronaut suit all the time. Name something you are obsessed with. Okay, write obsessed. And for the definition, write to think about something all the time. Okay, the next word in this week's selection is possess. Say that word with me. Possess. When you possess something, you have or own it. For example, Dan and Meg possess a huge bunch of colorful balloons. Tell about something you possess. Okay. So write possess and write the definition to own something. Okay, the next word is reward. Say that word with me. Reward. A reward is something given or received in return for something done. For example, Dad took us on vacation as a reward for getting good grades in school. What reward would you like to get? Okay, write the word reward. And for the definition, write something given in return for something well done. Okay, the next word in our story is treasure. Say that word with me. Treasure. A treasure can be money, jewels, or other things that are valuable. For example, Lila found a real treasure at the book sale. Tell about a treasure you have. All right, write the word treasure. And for the definition, write something that has great value. Okay, the next word in our story is wealth. Say that word with me, wealth. Wealth is a great amount of money or valuable things. For example, we are counting our money and will share our wealth by donating it. What is another word for wealth? Okay, write the word wealth. And for the definition, write having a large amount of money. All right, so that was the last word in this week's story. So until next week, I will see you soon.